All right, everybody, built another Xpedition for a customer. This one's a little bit more of a low-key build because we didn't do any electronics on it yet. This was just all the hard parts. So we're gonna do a quick walk around and show you what we did for our friend Lou. Let's start with the stance. So you can see it has a SuperATV long travel kit on it. Powder coated everything for him, a really, really cool orange color. So we did the SuperATV long travel, Rhino Axles. Along with the long travel, we did a shock therapy dual rate spring kit with shock therapy ride improvement system. So they went and improved all the shocks and everything on there. It has the SuperATV tie rod setup on it. And then you come to the front bumper. We did a DRT front bumper, powder coated all the mesh for them, did a DRT fair lead in orange, just kind of tied it all together there. Eventually we're gonna throw some lights on top of there for them. For the wheels and tires, we did Valor's new V15 tire with obviously the powder coated ring on it. There's actually a different ring that comes with that wheel, but any of the Valor wheels have interchangeable rings. So we did a little bit of a different ring on there for them. Nitto Trail Grappler side-by-side 33-inch tires. On the side, we installed the factory OEM rock sliders. We did factory mirrors and factory visors, which we'll show you inside when we get to there. Couple aesthetic, just cool looking pieces, DRT side panels on the air intake and clutch intake, and then the inner fender guards here from DRT. On the back, we did an electric off-road rear bumper. Again, powder coated all of the panels orange for them. Same thing with the shocks, and all the rear suspension is all SuperATV back here. A couple cool things that we did inside. I'll show you the passenger first. So we did the DRT billet door handle here. Again, powder coated the accent panels orange. And then on the very inside, same thing on the front doors. We also did the passenger grab handle, the shift knob, and an orange accented steering wheel for him. He chose the round suede steering wheel in there. So, like I said, just a really cool build. Stance is perfect. Eventually it's gonna get a lot of electronics, but right now we just wanted to get them dialed in, so get all the hard parts on it. If you wanna see more pictures of it, make sure to click the link below to check it out.